more amount of expenditure, so it is a more. In case of the uh, that is for sewage, so concentration is less. So here it can be local level, it can do this activity. And here with respect to the effluent, so this thing is not simple. Now where when we are discussing for the this thing, that is a microbiology, so here different aspects, so means we will see the bacteria, we will see the fungus which is present, we will see the nematodes. Means slightly we are just discussing ecosystem. Now this ecosystem means uh, not means in large scale but in a micro scale. So here when we are discussing this thing, so here depending on the type of the effluent, depending on the type of effluent, so next condition, so in this chapter, so we will discuss focus or will be on a treatment. Focus will be on a treatment. So when we are saying the focus on treatment, so here the thing is that the orientation or the aspects or the mode of the action will be different. Mode of action will be different. Suppose we are discussing for the wastewater or effluent from the dairy industry. So here it will have the different chemical composition. Suppose we want to do the wastewater treatment for the effluent treatment for the cannery. Cannery means it is the industry where there is a use of the coloring agent. And here mostly it is used in a leather industry. So there is uh, a ripening or there is a hardening of the skin, and this skin mostly is from the animal origin. So here when we are doing activity, so there is addition of the chemical. So here the chemical combustion will be different. So here there is a presence of the hairs. In case of the dairy industry, there is a presence of the phosphorus, nitrogen, lipids, and more amount of casein. Bacteria will be different, chemical content will be different. Suppose we are in a antibiotic industry, so there is a downstreaming process in which there is a purification of antibiotic. In here when we are discussing for the antibiotic, so for purification we will require organic solvent, benzene, hexane, and here this thing will be present in effluent. This thing will be present in a effluent. Suppose we are in a textile industry. So here in textile, so chemical composition now will be different because it is having with respect to the uh, thread. When we are saying this textile, so here again colors will be different. The ingredients of that cloth will be different. So condition will be different. Suppose we are in a sugar industry. So in case of sugar industry, again there is a difference. So here when we are changing the industry, when we are changing the industry, so we will have the different condition. And here in your syllabus, so we will discuss dairy, distillery, cannery, sugar, and antibiotic, and remaining that we will not discuss. So focus will be on antibiotics, sugar industry, tannery, distillery, and dairy, and remaining will not be discussed here. So here we will be limited here, and while discussing, so here we will have the some common points. We will have the some common points. So here, suppose we are discussing microbiology. So here, in some cases, so microorganism will be same. In some cases, it will be changes. Suppose in case of the sugar industry, in case of the tannery, so there will be some common condition. In some cases it will be different. So at each aspect, so there is some slight changes, there is a slight changes. And when we're discussing common thing, so we will miss chemical composition, physical characteristics, biological, that is a microbiological characteristics. So these thing will be common, means physical parameters, chemical parameters, and biological parameters. So this thing will be common for the all industry now mostly. And here, while for the discussion for your reference and examination point of view, so you must use Hindu Shekhar book. Hindu Shekhar book. Now here it is a environmental microbiology, and here it will have more focus on a wastewater treatment. So previously you are having the Varman Agarwal. So here it is useful for the first unit and second unit. But for the third unit, so this book will have the limited content. So for the addition knowledge, so you have to move the other book. So this is for just introductory thing. Now here when we are discussing for the effluent treatment. So here again, it depends on the climatic conditions. It depends on the government regulation. It depends on the local condition. So suppose you are living in a country where political condition is unstable and where there is a no awareness. There is a no awareness. So here in such condition, so you will find that the wastewater or anything. So there is no proper management. But country which is a developed country. So here they are more focusing. They are more focusing on the such issue. So it is a type of the country developed, developing or underdeveloped. So in case of the underdeveloped countries, so thing is not there. There is a respond there, but the amount thing or the thing which is done, so it is very limited. It is very limited. But in case of the developing country, same, they are having slightly advanced. In case of the developed country, so they are most focused. And here there is a different groups. So G20, G7, and here uh, after 2 years or 5 years or 7 years, so there is a conference summit, and here they will give some regulations and law. Suppose G20, so they have give the law that the carbon emission should be less. So here it will create burden. It will create a burden on the developing countries and poor developed countries, that is underdeveloped countries. So here there is a direct connection between the carbon emission and development. The country which is having most development, so there is a having more amount of the carbon emission. So this for them, so they have to transfer on the advance. They are having a new technology for the combat with the emission. So they uh, do the activity which will lower down the concentration of the CO2. But in case of the overdeveloped or underdeveloped countries, so they are not having technology or anything which will limit the concentration of CO2. So such kind of thing will be then again the expenditure. So that is the cost. So in case of the developed countries, so they are having fund all thing, and so here they can bring technology or they can create the technology. So there is a chances for the innovation. In case of the underdeveloped countries or poor developed countries, so chances is less because the fund or condition is not suitable. They are not in a optimum level. So here there is some kind of constraint, limits or restriction. So here these are the something with respect to the introductory part. Now we are directly move to the wastewater microbiology. Before that, we in some lecture we not discuss the thing. Now we will just give uh, some view of the, about the wastewater. So according to you, so which are the possible microorganisms present in the wastewater in any industry? Vivek, Castle.
सर साल्मोनेला, त्याच्यानंतर इकोलाय, ग्राम निगेटिव्ह ऑर्गॅनिझम सर मोस्टली.
Okay, gram negative coliform group will be there dominant. Okay, Puja,
Sir,
which organism is present in wastewater?
wastewater.
Hmm. तुला जे नाव तिथे सांग.
Wastewater मध्ये
हम्म.
आयडिया नाही आहे सर काही.
ओके. अनुजा.
E. coli,
Okay.
Aerobacter allogenous आणि Salmonella.
राजनला कॉमन. ओके.
Aerobacter aerogenous.
आता झाला ना, दोन झाला ना तो. एकच बॅक्टेरियाचा
सर वाटलं
अल्टरनेटिव्ह.
आवाज, मला वाटलं आवाज नाही गेला म्हणून रिपीट केलं.
ओके ओके ओके. स्नेहा. Sneha,
Yes. Ne-
Sneha, Nehani, Sneha Pardi.
Salmonella, sir.
Salmonella एक अजून
Shigella, Vibrio,
Vibrio,
Campylobacter, and
Campylobacter,
most of the pathogen strains of E. coli.
pathogenic strains of the E. coli. Okay. Vishal,
काय क्वेश्चन
list organisms found in wastewater. But to add mute करते हैं म्यूट करते
आवाज कटायला सर.
म्यूट कर विशाल आवाज ओके कोमल
Shigella Streptococcus pseudomonas
Pseudomonas
mycobacterium.
mycobacterium right नम्रता
So Pseudomonas, Streptococcus, E. coli, Staphylococcus, Clostridium, Vibrio, harmful strains पण असतात सीवेज मध्ये मॅक्झिमम बिकॉज
आता
ऑफ
जी
द
पहिले हार्मफुल नॉर हार्मफुल ते पहिले जे सांगितले ते
बस न्यू मध्ये नाही माहिती.
हो. सह्याद्री
Sir, different types of algae also.
हा राईट देर इज अ प्रेझेन्स ऑफ द algae